Hello students, my name is Ajay Sahu. Today we study about land as resource. Our past generation left land for us without exploiting them too much, and it is expected from us too. We fulfill most of our needs from land such as food, clothing, shelter, drinking water, etc. But in past few decades the quality of land is degrading for firstly because of human activity. Many human activities aggravated the natural forces which are in turn regarding the land resources also. Presently, about 130 million hectares of land is reported under degraded land in India, in which about 28% of land belongs to forest and about 28% is water eroded area. Rest degraded land is because of over deposition of salinity and alkalinity, overgrazing, mining, deforestation, division of lands in small area because of family feuds, etc. are some of the major causes of degradation of land. Because of mining in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Madhya Pradesh, lands are left abandoned without proper treatment after the completing of mining works. This has resulted in the form of deep scars and traces, along with mining deforestation in these states has degraded the land very fast. In the states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, over irrigation causes water shortage and increase in salinity and alkalinity due to water logging. In Bihar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, land is degraded because of flood. States in which minerals processing such as grinding of limestone, manufacturing of cement, etc., produce huge quantity of dust. This dust prevent the percolation of water because of deposition on the ground, and it is responsible for degradation of land. The degradation of land creates many problems such as flood, increase in yield, etc., which leads to decrease in GDP and country has to face economic problems. Measures to conserve the land resources. Degradation of land can be prevented by taking following measures: afforestation, proper management of grazing, stabilization of sand dunes by plantation of thorny bushes, proper management of water land by proper irrigation, by proper harvesting, control over mining activities, proper management of land after completing of mining works, discharge of industrial waste and eh, influence only after proper treatment, plantation of trees along the roadsides by preventing deforestation. Okay, the these are the way that how we can conserve the land resources, यानी इन तरीकों से हम लैंड को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है लैंड रिसोर्स और हमें इसकी सुरक्षा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू सेव दिस रिसोर्स बिकॉज वी आर मोस्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस फॉर आवर लिविंग. फूड हो गया, भोजन हो गया, तो शेल्टर हो गया, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? हमें लैंड से मिलती है. तो हमें इन संसाधनों की सुरक्षा करना हमारा उत्तरदायित्व है. Soil as a natural resource. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. Soil supports the growth of plants. Soil is the natural home of many living organisms such as ants, rats, snakes, and many insects. Formation of soil. It takes thousands of years to form even 1 centimeter of soil. Soil is formed by the weathering process of the rocks, various natural forces such as temperature, running water, wind, etc., along with many physical and chemical changes, are equally important in the formation of soil formation. Classification of soil. Soil is categorized in many types on the basis of texture, color, age, chemical properties, etc. India is vast country which comprises of many types of land. Thus, many types of soils are found in different regions in India. और इसके बारे में आप कल पढ़ेंगे। आज तक के लिए इतना ही।